Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, the market is open and we can see the market is behaving like a normal Monday market. Market has opened on a lower note. The volatility is low right now. And market in consolidation is also quite natural because this huge upside, okay, market will be taking risk. If you know about volatility, then you must be knowing that volatility always shifts in the market. Means market always move from high volatility to lower volatility and lower volatility to higher volatility. And the good news or the bad news, okay, it matters. It depends on how you take it. Okay, market is still inside the range only, and we can expect the market to remain choppy like this till Thursday. Why till Thursday? Because on Thursday we have CPI coming up, and as we all know, CPI is a major event. So be careful. And if you are a positional buyer on gold, then obviously you can hold your buy position because fundamentally things are very bullish right now. The global crisis is still going on. So you can expect that after some deep correction also market will be going up. But if you're stuck on a sell right now, then yes, things may get critical. So if gold breaks the high of 2670, then please try to exit from the sell because you may lose your whole capital. Okay. And my dear friend, we can clearly see on the chart that things have not changed at all. So if you're looking for a detailed analysis, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday because I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you again. The levels from Saturday are still valid. So my dear friend, if you are looking for a good reliable trading opportunity, then we can look for a buy around 2627 to 2625 because of previous support around this area. And as the market is low volatile right now, a little choppy right now. So if market drops also, we can expect the support to work. If you see market taking support, market showing price rejection from below around this area, we can look for a buy position. Okay, and if market surprises us, after all, this is market is full of surprises. If market surprises us with heavy selling pressure, then we can look for a support to be around 2617 to 2614. And we have seen that we have the Fibonacci 50% retracement level around this area, so and also previous support, so you can also expect a good bounce. And if nothing works, then 2600 is the ultimate support, and I don't think so before Thursday market will break 2600. At this moment we can expect that 2600 to 26785, okay, 26700 to 2685 will be the range of the market, or this is the range of gold right now. So as long as market remains within this range, listen to me carefully, as long as market remains within this range, keep this in mind that market is choppy. For a trend reversal on gold, we need gold to go below 2600. And also a fundamental reason, we also need a news which we don't have. Okay, so if market remains like this, then it's a choppy market. Just keep in mind that gold has come for correction. Okay, and if gold breaks 2685 because of the ongoing geopolitical tension, then you need to exit from the sell positions, sit on the buy position because the upside will continue. Where is the next resistance? Nobody knows. Just try to be on the buy position only. But one thing I have observed today is that after the market opening, market has formed a lower high here. You can see an arrow. So what market has formed is market has formed a lower high. So formation of lower high is indicating that there may be a drop in the market. Okay, so be careful. And this is a sideways market, choppy market right now. And probably you have also heard that traders lose money in the sideways market. You need to understand the reason. Maximum traders lose money in sideways market because we fail to keep our patience. We lose our patience, we end up trading on the middle of the chart. For example, okay, you are sitting in front of the screen for 2 to 3 hours, 4 hours, and market is trading like inside the range, or market is just on the middle. Obviously you will be frustrated, isn't it? Our brain is a dirty player. It plays dirty tricks with us. It starts selling you. It will start shouting inside your head that you call yourself a trader, you are not trading, you are sitting idle. And then what we'll do is, we will uh, see some imaginary trading opportunities. Maybe we'll switch to a lower time frame. See, back of your head, you know it very well that this is not the ideal condition, but still you will switch to lower time frame. You start looking for opportunities, and you will end up getting trapped. If you look at the profit and loss statement, you will see that those bad positions were the result of taking some impulsive trades. Okay, not they were not the result of the homeworks or the levels that we knew were good. So if you're looking for reliable trading opportunities, then 2600 is the best support, but obviously 2600 is far away. So we can also look for support around 2614, 2617 and 2627, 2625 area. But if the volume of the market remains low like this, then we can also look for support around 2634. Keep this in mind, 2634 is not a proper support, but right now things are not very volatile, so we can also expect some volatility around 2634 as well. Already market has tested 2640 area a couple of times, and this is not a reliable level right now. 26, remember 2530, it was acting as a huge resistance. Okay, we were unable to digest it. Same goes with 2640 also. 2640 has been acting as strong resistance support for quite some time. Okay, so level is not very reliable right now. Okay, personally, I'm not going to take any position here. Same goes with 2670 also. Okay, 2670 at the top. So if you see market going up, then be careful. If you see market is reversing from 2670, if market is showing strong price ejection from 2670, then only go for a sell. Okay, because market has already tested 2670 2 to 3 times. Liquidity has already built up. So maybe institutional level stop loss hunting may take place around 2670 area, 2670 to 2674. Okay. And if you see this, there is a sudden bullishness in the market because of any news from the Middle East, then obviously you should avoid sell, because we get the thrill after taking a sell position. But speed thrills but kills. Don't do not forget. So if you see that, okay, market is reversing, market is showing prices, strong prices action from above, then only take a sell around 2670. But if you see that there is a sudden bullishness in the market, there is a news from Middle East and gold is shooting up again, then obviously you need to sit on buy only. Do not forget, gold is fundamentally bullish. Okay, gold is fundamentally bullish. That's a bitter reality. Sellers may not like it, but that's a truth. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Be careful and do not forget, market may remain like this if you do not get proper trading opportunities. Okay, do not lose patience, because we are traders, not gamblers.